Hello, my name is Peled, and I'm a plastic and peripheral nerve surgeon practicing here in San Francisco, California, as well as Walnut Creek, California. Welcome to Peled Migraine Surgery. I have a sincere passion for peripheral nerve surgery, having had the great fortune of watching a senior colleague many years ago perform a series of peripheral nerve surgical procedures on patients' hands and feet, and in many cases restoring function, restoring sensation, and minimizing or eliminating their pain. Fortunately, many of these surgical procedures have been adapted for the use of chronic headaches such as migraines, and we here at Peled Migraine Surgery have been at the forefront of these developments, having published several papers delineating our results with many patients and modifications of the established techniques. In a majority of cases, patients experience life-changing results, such as significant decreases in the frequency, severity, and/or duration of their headache symptoms. If conventional therapies have failed for you, please consider coming to see us here at Peled Migraine Surgery to see if the surgical procedures that we offer can be helpful in your case. I would say that honestly and truly, these procedures are the most gratifying procedures that I perform because the results in many cases have been nothing short of life-changing.